So basically what you have ahead is Orus Radion. It's probably the most famous part of the track. These days it's also colorful, so actually we cannot use the outside because there is color and tends to be a little bit more slippery. You see there's a little
wow, that's awesome.
small pool there.
Man.
And that's basically the main straight of the track.
Yeah. Wow, it's, oh my gosh, is it long?
It is. It actually, especially in a car like this, it feels like a little bit like a... So let's see how much grip we really have
Yep.
here.
That was pretty good.
It's very good. Everything very good. It's cool. We're still gonna do the wet line here.
Yep. Wet line.
Actually, yeah, it's everything's decent. No, everything's very good.
Pretty good grip, man.
Everything's very good. This is one of the most tricky corners of the track because it's basically slippery almost everywhere. So we
yeah.
try to keep it a little bit outside here that there is a little bit of grip. Yeah, everything's actually good. Still okay.
Awesome.
One is
Oh yeah.
one of the longest corners of the track. There is not a lot of grip here.
Yeah. You can feel it rotating. That's sweet.
Yeah. We keep it like there, just under.
Yep. Nice. Very good driving, sir.
As you see, I'm avoiding a little bit the inside, so I'm finding the grip a little
Yep,
bit here.
staying off the racing line.
Exactly,
Yep.
exactly.
Smart. Awesome.
You don't want to really touch the curves because they are extra slippery whenever there is paint, you know.
Right. The wet paint.
Yeah.
I'm surprised how fast you can go in the wet with this thing, man. You're,
It is good, it is
Yeah.
good, it's good. It's just the speed, it's also the car is actually.
Yep. That's nice.
And this is basically Classic Mode 1 and 2. These are two of the highest speed corner of the track and of the F1 calendar. They are very, very tricky, especially like in faster cars.
Oh, okay.
Because basically now, Classic Mode 1 doesn't really feel like it, but Classic Mode 2 is like a real corner. And we cannot really put it completely out, like I normally would really go like out there.
Yeah.
But this speed is like really, really cool, you know? Like,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
still cool like at this speed, but
Right.
when you can actually run it hard and use the whole thing, it's even more impressive.
Oh yeah, I bet. Nice. Yeah, that was pretty good. Oh, there you go. Got some rotation.
It doesn't really work. We tried. It didn't really want to go there.
Nice.
So let's go for it.
Yeah, nice.
A little bit
Man.
hotter, you know, we're still gonna keep it sensible. But we're gonna keep it a little bit of.
All right.
There you go.
There you go.
Just not.
Nice. Nice. It's clean. Oh.
So we basically do the straightest line through the thing.
Right,
So we
yeah.
actually have like a good exit speed.
Mm-hmm.
You could actually corner a little bit more.
Yeah.
Then here you risk of having too much angle and actually sacrificing speed.
Right.
It's like the opposite of what we do. Let's see what is happening.
Awesome. Nice, dude, nice, nice. Oh, that was sweet. Oh, man. I told Francisco to give me a driver. I'm glad he chose you.
Very healthy. Actually, I'm trying to as much speed as we can actually fit to the conditions, you know, I actually tried to put it in. It is very slippery.
Yeah, it is slippery.
You feel that.
It is.
I'm literally just giving it like an on there. This is an actual M2 race car.
Yep. So
Let's see
sorry.
if we can-
Sorry, we're passing.
Actually, exactly. A little bit
Oh.
of it. A little bit of it.
Come on. Yeah. Adios.
He's on a wet.
He's scared.
But I don't know. I understand.
You are fearless. Yes. Nice. Awesome.
It's a bit of a bit because no one is driving, so we're actually a bit alone.
Right, I know. Everyone's afraid in the pits right now.
Yeah, but this is because actually
It's really doing good.
that is basically it, man.
Man, that was awesome, dude. You can put it sideways? Snap it. Come on.
Nah, that's really good.
Yeah, nice, dude. That was awesome.
I needed to
That was
destabilize this a
awesome.
little bit more. So basically, what I try to do is